you are a cleaning business owner, do not ignore what I'm about to say right now. If you are feeling like you're not where you need to be as a cleaning business owner, it's likely because you're not putting in enough effort to get leads, to get new clients, to actually get new hot leads coming into your business. And that is really honestly just it. Like, how are you spending your time? What are you spending your time on? If you're not spending enough time on your business, working on your business, then you're probably not getting the success that you want. You are absolutely out of your mind if you think being a cleaning business owner is easy. There's days I want to quit. There's days everything literally shit hits the fan, right? We all have those moments. We all have those days, but we do not quit. I could not do what I do. I could not create the success that I create if I did not plan, if I didn't do some master planning, some masterminding in my business, and if I didn't have great mentors to assist me in doing that. So if you're not getting the results that you want, it's likely because you simply just aren't planning.